Good day everyone. Our group decided to create a video about installation of Windows 10 and Linux distribution. Also on how to create a bootable USB and basic preparation before installing an operating system. The group members are Daniela Bautista, Chin Bernabe, Roy Bautista, and lastly, which is me, Francis Soriano. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to install Linux distribution using virtual box. First step is to create a new virtual machine and make a file name for it. And we'll name it with Linux 20.04 and using the Linux operating system. Next is to choose where do you want to save your virtual folder and press next. Next is to choose what memory you want to use. In this case, I will use only 2 MB and I'm going to do this on default. Also, I will create a virtual hard disk and click next again. Then I will going to choose about 20 GB of storage. Our next step is go to settings for our virtual machine and go to section of storage. Then you need to click on empty disk and locate your ISO file of Linux distribution. Then press next if you find your ISO file and you can start your virtual machine computer. As you can see, our Linux operating system is now installing and we have just to wait a few seconds. Now, we're going to install Ubuntu and we will pick what our keyboard layout is. In my case, I will choose only US and click next. And this I will choose default and install third-party program and click next. Next installation type, we will choose this one because we want to install a new fresh Linux operating system. Take note that always back up your files before doing this because if you deleted files in doing this, your files will not be restored. Next is type where are you from. In my case, I will type Bulacan because I live in Bulacan. Now, creating an account. Just answer the questions written and make sure that your passwords are hard to guess. Always remember that don't forget your password because if you don't remember your password, you can't open your operating system. As we can see, the actual base installation are now being processed. We'll just wait a couple of minutes of this because I think this take about 5 to 10 minutes and we will fast forward this. Now the installation has been done. Just click restart now and wait for your computer to turn on again. Now that our computer are restarted, we just have to log in our account and type our password. Now, our operating systems are now successfully installed. We just have to skip these steps to fully access the computer. Let's skip again. After skip this, you can set this up later, but in this video we are just show how to install Linux distribution using VirtualBox. And that's all. Thank you.